Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to change store currency on Shopify. First, you should go and open Shopify and log in into your account. And now I will show you exactly how does my product appear. So I will click on view your online store, and I have only one product in this video just for demonstration. And here I have my product in the Egyptian pound. So this LE refers to Libra Egyptia. Now I want to convert it to USD, for example, or Euro. To do that, you will have to go back to your dashboard and click on the settings button on the left side right here. And now once you go to the settings, you should click on the general option right here. And here you will have this section right here. It shows me that I have Egyptian pound. You just have to click on these three horizontal lines, then click on change store currency. And after that, click on this area right here. And now you can easily change it to any other currency. I'll change it to euros, then click on save. And after that, here it tells me that all the products will be updated with the new currency. But now let's say that you want actually to change it to the visitors. So let's say that you have a visitor from Europe and you want him to see the price in euro, and you have a visitor from America and you want him to see the currency in USD, the equivalent. You just have to click on go to markets, just click on the markets, and now you will have to set different markets and add some regions inside it. And for each market, you should select a specific currency. But this is not our video topic, so I will go now back to the dashboard and go to the online store and see if I have the currency changed or not. And yes, here we have it. It was actually changed. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.